Baker's Pride makes some of the best commercial ovens in the business. The BCO Cyclone Convection oven is known for cooking food evenly and quickly. By following these cleaning instructions, your unit will stay strong for years and years. Start by turning off the oven from the disconnect switch or by unplugging the power cord. It's important to clean the racks and interior of your BCO daily. Once the oven has cooled down, remove the wire racks and supports from the oven. Run each rack in warm water and scrub thoroughly using mild dish soap. Do not use steel wool as it can damage the finish. If there is a lot of grease or food stuck on, use a nylon brush or soak the racks in warm water and soak while you clean the rest of the unit. Use a non-abrasive sponge or cloth to scrub the interior. A mixture of warm water and dish soap should do the trick to remove grease, residue, or baked-on product. While it might be tempting, never use wire brushes, scouring pads, or scrapers when cleaning. These can damage the stainless steel interior. When scrubbing the interior, be careful when scrubbing near any wiring, switches, or light sockets. Avoid getting soap and water on these components. Use your mixture of warm water and mild dish soap to clean the exterior of the oven. Make sure to scrub in the direction of the polish lines with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Do not use abrasive tools, scrapers, vinegar, chlorine, and corrosive cleaners. All of these can damage the stainless steel exterior. Now you can place the support and racks back inside the oven. Well, there you have it. That's how you clean a Baker's Pride convection oven. This is Partstown signing off. We'll see you next time.